Cucumber is a refreshing vegetable that is widely consumed around the world. It belongs to the same family as melons and squash, and it has a long and interesting history. In this video, we will explore the origins of cucumber, its nutritional value, and its health benefits. Cucumber has a fascinating history that dates back over 3,000 years. It is believed to have originated in India, where it was known as cucumber or cowcumber. From there, it spread to other parts of Asia, including China and Japan, before making its way to Europe. The ancient Greeks and Romans were particularly fond of cucumber and used it extensively in their cuisine. They even believed that eating cucumbers could cure various ailments, including bad breath and sunstroke. Cucumber was brought to the Americas by European explorers and settlers in the 16th century, and it quickly became a popular vegetable in North America. Today, cucumber is grown all over the world, with China being the largest producer. Cucumber is a low-calorie vegetable that is high in water content. It is a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Cucumber also contains antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds that have been linked to various health benefits. Hydration: cucumber is 95% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Eating cucumbers can also help replenish fluids lost through sweating during physical activity. The high water content in cucumber can also help flush out toxins from the body. Digestion: cucumber contains fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. The water content in cucumber can also help keep the digestive system hydrated and healthy. Skin health: cucumber contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Cucumber can also help soothe and hydrate the skin when applied topically. It can be used as a natural remedy for sunburn, acne, and other skin irritations. Weight management: cucumber is a low-calorie vegetable that can help fill you up without adding a lot of calories to your diet. Eating cucumbers as a snack can help you feel fuller for longer, which may help you eat less overall. The fiber in cucumber can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for weight management. Heart health: cucumber contains potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Eating a diet rich in potassium has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in cucumber can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Bone health: cucumber contains vitamin K, which is important for bone health. Vitamin K helps activate proteins that are essential for bone health and can reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Brain health: cucumber contains fisetin, a flavonoid that has been shown to improve brain health. Fisetin can help improve memory and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Cucumber is a versatile vegetable that has been enjoyed for thousands of years. It is low in calories, high in water content, and packed with vitamins and minerals that provide numerous health benefits. Whether eaten raw or used in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, cucumber is a delicious and healthy addition to any diet. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Take care and have a good one.